Morning everybody, happy Monday. Hope you all had a lovely weekend and got to do some nice activities on Friday for our VE Day commemorations. I saw some lovely examples of medal designs and flags, so well done. If you didn't complete any of the activities, that's okay. I hope you just had a lovely day with your families. So our 4 activities for today are as follows. For English, you're going to do your spellings word search, which is set as an activity on Seesaw. Then after that, I'd like you to do the treasure hunting reading activity that's also set as an activity on Seesaw. I'll be able to see both of those once you've completed them, so I'll be able to give you some feedback afterwards. Once you've done that, your second task today is for maths. So for maths, I'd like you to log on to Doodle Maths and I'd like you to complete the multiplication and division activities that you will find in your extras section on Doodle Maths. Once you've done that, you can then do your daily task. Please could you screenshot the results of both of those and upload them to Seesaw once you've completed them. The third task I'd like you to do today is to continue our Pandora's Box story. So Mrs. Brown has filmed the next part of the story in which Pandora opens the jar and we find out what's actually inside. So what I'd like you to do is watch the next part of the story, then you've got a template on Seesaw for an activity where I'd like you to draw some examples of what was inside the jar and answer some questions to say, was it similar to what you predicted or was it different? How would you react if you were Pandora? Once you've completed that activity, your fourth task today is for computing. I would like you to film yourself in the role of Pandora opening the jar. So to do that, I will post a background that you're going to use. You'll film yourself first opening the jar. You could use your jar that you made last week, or you could just pretend that you have one and mime opening it, or just find anything that you have in the house. So you need to film yourself opening it first. Imagine how you would react if you were Pandora opening the jar, seeing all the things that were coming out. Once you've done that, you're going to then use Do Ink and the background image that I'll post on Seesaw to create your film, your clip of that part of the story. I will repost the instructions that Mrs. Brown did for the weather report. I can't wait to see how these turn out. I'm really excited. Really think about what you would say if you saw all these things coming out of the jar. What would your face look like? How would your body react? They don't need to be very long clips, only about a minute or two. Once you've completed them, please could you upload it to Seesaw. Okay, quick reminder of today's tasks. Number 1, for English, you're going to do your word search for our new spellings. Following that, you're going to do treasure hunting reading activity. For maths, you're going to do multiplication and division Doodle Maths, followed by your daily task on Doodle Maths. Number 3, for topic, you're going to complete the next part of the Pandora's Box task. So you're going to find out what's actually in the jar and then complete the activity on Seesaw. And then number 4, for your computing task today, you're going to film yourself as Pandora opening the jar, and you're going to film yourself first using camera, and then you're going to put that together with the background that's on Seesaw onto Do Ink. Okay, I'm really excited to see what you get up to today. Speak to you soon, bye for now.